crisp, concise, and impactful. Thailand, land of smiles, heart of Asia, a Buddhist nation where every faith thrives. Temples, mosques, and churches side by side. Here, kindness is currency. Street vendors share laughs, not just some tom. Children gift jasmine garlands like second nature. Fiery Muay Thai matches to neon-lit festivals. Thailand pulses with energy. But beneath the fun, a calm soul. Skyscrapers rise beside ancient forests. Crime? Low. Thailand isn't just beautiful, it's balanced. Modern yet rooted. Welcoming yet wise. Come see. The land of smiles will leave you smiling.